My name na Chike Oge.
In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party. Oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play.
And now they watch Talk.
Oya J1 Luagolo, make all these guys they ulambolo. Kilo Jeko Monoworo.
Alright, my name is Sheila BCFR, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now, so that they call me. When they watch Talk, you know now. People like us, they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem. We go talk on our life. Oh yeah, keep watching Talk now.
Hey, my people have fun now. My name is J1. They call me Oluwa J1 and I talk now they watch for Wazobia TV. God bless you. Thank you.
All right, we are there. Yes, I just hear Biola's voice. We are there. Yeah, the one that Biola being one of our wonderful producers, associate producer, and she just joined the Talk Family. Welcome to our family.
Quiet voice.
Whenever induct her.
Yes. Induction.
We need to but now
no, even I say she don't induct herself because we dey waste time. She don't talk for her ear. Well.
No, she don't talk like F young. How now?
We are there. She not say you don't need that kind of voice.
No, we need strong voice.
We are there.
We're there. Shoot it.
No, today is 3, 2, 1. So she will say you are there.
But we love you. Welcome
we love you all the same.
Yes. Yes, we love you, but you need to do lots of work for us. You understand? Yes.
I like your hype.
My sister, you hype for a living. I hype for a living. All right, make we just go ahead because plenty tweets on they actually enter inside our Twitter.
Okay.
But you want with no?
No, read down.
Read
down. Maybe we hear what person talk.
Okay. Person talk say, what if she sees all the phones and later explain to the man say she sees them because they get attention.
That one go 2 days.
That fight now, that one they harsh.
You don't understand? I go 2 days harsh to me.
You know why I go they harsh? Because the guy getting phones, like in private. No, some men they take on like private things.
Your wife not be private.
No. I don't talk about your phone now. We take the phone. Some people men know they like me you touch their phones.
Their phones.
Especially if you know the kind of husband when you get, where you know they like me you they tamper with things, and especially where you know say in they are addicted to that phone. You can't go carry them.
Go pick offense.
Now fights from now to tomorrow.
If he tell you say you don't delete contract what you want to do with somebody, family, and you can't turn the enemy because you get some men with God twist matter.
We turn the story up and down
on top of your head. But me, I will say no. The approach today harsh. Just
all those season of things, and I'm not sure.
As we don't talk, just communicate. We talk say communicate, and to me, I think communicate. They just lose contact from somewhere. Somewhere just along the line. I mean, you know they do well for her. So what if we look at this way? Maybe she know they do things so she they do because you don't come get baby. So you can find comfort.
She also forget
on top of the phone. You understand? I can't decide the faceless way because I know if you imagine say totally even
then the man fault.
You know as we they talk, something just come my head. Ladies, we need to be careful before our husband attention move from us to book.
Yes.
Because the man nowadays, he get different things to distract him. So
yeah.
if you not they make him do welcome, if you they give him wahala, if you will marry you, they get better gene, you they knock yourself before, then later you just marry cat to the time apart for chest.
Thank God say na book for other things.
You wait if you come.
Thank God say na book.
That time one at a date. If you come sleep over or when a date together, you go wear bumper short, go sleep.
And you go wash up well.
Now you don't reach out. You go say I bath around 3 o'clock. No need. Then you come wear wrapper for chest, take sleep. Sister, you are on your own. Now you supposed turn up. You know they call turn up. Turn up means say you go revive that candle where don't they reach down. Buy another one, Abella. Way long. This thing buy before they go down. Buy another one, take Sana. Because I tell you, if you ordinary pictures when they look on Instagram, different things they come in here. You understand? May come be say you go like people like Maida page for Instagram.
No way. Husband of mine, don't go to Maida's
Maida is out of bound.
I beg you. Husband of mine. Please.
My love. You know I love you. Maida is out of bound.
You gonna do?
Thank you.
No, yeah, my love. You know I love you.
Ella,
you need to beg.
You know I love you. Maida is out of bounds. No, just forget Maida. No, I go do my own page personally for you.
Beautiful.
Personally for you.
Better. You put our security. Private. So then when you want log in, So you could imagine you are somebody else, not
All right,
dad.
so make we go over to our rating day hot. Our next story for today is an actually good story because mother and daughter, after plenty years, 49 years, 49 years, they don't unite, they don't join body together. See, this one at the video. They say this woman, her name is Angela Jackson, and she's 76 years old and a gospel singer for inside St. Louis suburb Olivet. And she come outside talk, say 49 years ago, say her daughter, they tell her for hospital, say her daughter don't die. So they tell her, say her daughter don't die. Meanwhile, she don't know, say her daughter actually they alive.
Okay.
Now, through many things, the daughter can't even marry herself. They say give more son and twin daughters. They can't help to the search for her grandmother because now she don't turn to
orphan. She don't know where she come from. She dey look for her roots.
She dey look for her mother. They say now the grandchildren now can start to look for their grandmother. Finally, as God want to they can actually see. You know, say Oyibo system. Oyibo system, they different from here. If you just want to know a particular genotype or DNA, all you need to do to just put them out there, and person go find them for you. No. They don't trace. Queen B gets this DNA. Okay, Queen B.
Who you related to?
You know.
Okay, so which of your uncle don't live for Yaba or Jota? Okay, which year he live for Yaba and where he moved? Because they get social security number where you can
match everything.
And then they change.
They get documentation. So we actually happy
We are
for her.
getting there.
Now she come outside. Jackson Price don't come outside to say God don't give me everything where the devil don't take from me. Now waiting Jackson Price talk. She say I'm getting it back. I'm getting my baby back.
Oh, nice one.
Even though 49 years.
I tell you.
Even though 49 years, we feel say it don't pass.
Those moments where the baby they do teeth,
God.
those moments where the baby they crawl the first step, when the baby start calling your name.
She got anything that said she don't.
But the thing is,
who we go blame from this particular one? You feel say she needs to sue the hospital? Because at the point they tell her say her baby don't die, not knowing say the baby actually they alive, they can't guys give the baby to another family where adopt this particular baby.
well, see, I go say for that situation, maybe if na hospital way, but that mistake they very.
It's a very strong.
I'll use this word stupid. It is very stupid. You tell me say them born like 20 children at a time, you don't know who get them, and the person where they cry say, well, give her the pikin instead where you go give people where go adopt her or mistake happen. And 49 years ago, how many people still did the hospital?
Last year, don't close down, sir.
No, they were still there. If it's still there, but
people wait there then the feet don't
the feet don't buy, some feet don't relocate, and they'll go start to look for them and all that.
That's the problem, Queen B. This na tab, I mean our tab.
Yes.
If this tab do something, whether say not be me and you do, and this tab they go oh.
Yes.
So she fit actually sue that
the
hospital.
But you know go fit bring back. What I want to talk, you know fit bring back those moments away. So then now money you go come collect is go replace that moment. And I tell you, money no fit buy those moments. It is price because imagine those days when your mother go tell you, when you small, your head big, you can't cry because I cry well. I cry. And my mother tell me say, at the point she go say, which kind of picking this one? I cry. I worry her. I cry seriously. Say, but at a point I just stopped to dey cry. She couldn't wonder say the girl dey okay. She dey carry me go different places. Say she not dey cry again. Everybody go tell her say, you know all these traditional people now. They go say maybe because I be twin, my twin pass. So they come tell her say, okay, maybe now the twin 9 day scare me, or that the twin won't carry her. My mom say they can't use razor blade to tear me for body. If I catch that woman, they tear me. If I catch you,
go chop her raw.
But I'm gonna say she don't give me mark for face.
Don't
they say again? No. They say again mark.
Stop that.
Stop that. They say they give me, but the thing disappear. Thank God. My brother, Sikira for better pass. So I just feel say no need. Just capture the moment. Concentrate on your relationship.
You have
with
grandchildren now.
Yes. Get this thing moment from the grandchildren. Get the moment for the grandchildren. Those moments of waka crawling.
Yes.
Just replace. I know say no fit be like, but replace and thank God say you won't get her. What if you die go grave? You know even see the pikin. So now still grace with God or God need to prove a point at that point.
So they say she not do anything about.
I tell you, get some fights where you they live and for God to fight for you because it get better answer for what you want.
And no go talk say wetin you talk wrong.
Okay.
But you know say she no do anything about her if it still happen again. it goes still they happen. But once they realize there's something they attached to this crime where you commit, it go lessen.
Yes.
Because I know say they happen for Nigeria. Man doesn't know that they happen well. They act out for Hollywood movies. But the thing is, say if you know do something about them. Trust me, it must happen and happen worse than what will happen before.
No, with the American system. No
American
be say, no
or
be
not
crime.
American.
No be say
American,
na
you
crime,
need to
really.
report them. Because if she don't report
Not
them.
today, sister.
No, we don't
Not
understand.
today.
Because even if not, you know if we stop to continue to
talk about
something.
Okay.
It don't happen. You know what? Okay, obviously, if we don't talk, the hospital if you don't.
They don't know now.
Or the.
Like we don't know
This one which don't even
or
come outside.
Or the people don't go. What I try to talk, be say, make una allow the woman, make she talk something, make she go, make she say I'm out there, so that people go they more cautious about.
Oh, definitely. In as much as when we hear the story, that means she already out there. But to go court and all that,
make she go the court.
Necessary to me.
Yes, congratulations to you and your daughter as an adult reunite, and we celebrate you today. Now, our next story before we go on this confirm break, this one concerned. No, say this by the time of 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we get one story of one man where one actually kill himself. One drown himself, all because the wife where he want marry, they very, very ugly. Now the man don't come outside, give reason why him be one drown himself. Now he come outside and say, I feel bad about what happened. But when I see this, my bride, he said she wasn't what I expected though, and I realized say she go be bad for my image. Say she go be bad for her own image. Now waiting can actually come outside talk.
I bet where the guy come from?
China.
China.
Okay, but what me go talk for this one? Amaka, you get what you want to talk?
Amaka, talk.
The man just know the brain knockout more.
Well, all this
arranging marriage.
I beg, make una try the show picture. Make the guy do small video, show the girl. They go don't agree. So that at least the guy go don't know. Too, to me, I feel if we don't pass the days of picture now, photo effects, do small video. May I hear your voice. See how you take the move.
Yes.
Even though for video they feed all those things, but it will still help me small get idea of who you are. Not be reference now.
But thank God say you not die. Thank God say you not die. Now you can redirect.
Definitely surgery.
A brain knockout.
You can redirect yourself. Anyway, we're gonna need to pass more break. When we come back, we go yarn you Coco of the day and you sabi say Queen Bee come from China.
You sabi say I be Chongle.
Yes, so we don't come back. Una know so we don't tell una plenty story. Onto say today now the real life issues what we talk about. We talk about the person we send us letter talk say, hey, my husband, he likes social media, those faceless people than me. And we don't give us the story about say, hey, Charlie boy ask say, if you don't marry, naim be say you go get respect, or when you know still marry, you still supposed get that same respect. And also we don't meet that woman, we don't reunite with her daughter after 49 years. When they tell her for hospital, tell say the pikin don't die. He don't buy, so she can't give hope. But hey, as God go do him, he go arrange the matter. They still meet after 49 years. Then the man from Chinko. we say wife we married too ugly. Maybe the makeup artist no look for courage or ogo. It to say the makeup artist can't look for our makeup artist for here. We then design your face. People like courage.
So at the end of the day, when you wash her
I
face,
beg you not waste our time. Coco of the day.
On top, in fact, you know, on top this way, just talk about this is a real life issue. Yes, it's very real. I know go really right.
No go left and right.
If you find out, say like this one, we just find her pikin.
Yeah.
You know, say 49 years. You find out, say, your real parents, now the likes of Aliko Dangote, Bill Gates, you know, now your parents, now your real parents, your Gile parents, what you go do?
What thing happen where them be ring my parents?
Okay, you find out, say,
and they abandon
you.
Okay.
You could not come find out, say, now your real parents be that. And waiting be the reason, then say you too ugly.
And these my real parents, they are the richest men in the world.
Yes, Bill Gates.
One is richest man in Africa, and one in the world.
Yes. And they say because you were if you break screen. And they say lie.
But I don't find out. But I don't go up and I don't find.
If so you know me before, you not gonna know me again. If I, for example, say not like me now. Look at me. And I'm going to sing for front of him gate, but he go see me. We got to meet. Because as it is I ugly, don't abandon me, don't forget about me. I go reappear. Moments like this, I shall appear. I go resurrect. From where it is I don't go. I'll come and say, Popsy, hi. Oh, hi, fine girl, how are you?
Hello.
You're my daddy.
Do I know
You
you?
remember me?
No, I don't
really,
think I know
yes.
you.
Well, sit down, let me give you the story. Popsy, listen. Make I break her down to you. Now maybe that picking when the boss so the way you toss too ugly, you carry me gift to person. Really? What's the problem? No, but I don't want me you can't hear me. I just dey try to tell you, say you don't lose. He gonna look for you.
Queen bee.
Gonna hustle for you. You know, say yes, not be all of our faces they different. And somebody go say, oh, I like we black beauty. Somebody go say, hey, I like Amaka because her face small.
Yes.
Somebody go say, no, I like them chubby like me. Now, so people brain they work.
Yeah.
But when you repackage yours, now it boils down to your personality. No matter how you're not short like short nika, because you
Make I find out say my real father na Linko Dangote.
package yourself well. You position yourself for where you go fit communicate with your dad.
The reason why he give you say because you were warrior.
Now what's it? Okay.
I'll go meet him. I'll go meet him. I'll cry for him. Say, so you abandoned me.
Oh, okay.
All because I was
So he go tell you sorry. You can say, okay,
no,
problem.
Amaka.
No, wait now.
Amaka.
I don't even need him as my father anymore.
Yes.
My sister.
Yes.
I just need him to place me, give me that connection. No wahala. Just give me.
No
Let's
need.
rub minds together.
For me, I go say no need for connection. I just want them to see what's he needs.
No,
listen,
connect
now
me.
packaging now, you go package yourself. Him see ugly, but waiting you see.
Yeah.
Him see ugly, but waiting you see
Point.
of yourself. Because if you see ugly too, that mean you don't disown yourself. Now only you fit tell yourself what you want. Now only you fit tell yourself. If person say, oh, and the earring look nice on you, really? If you dey touch my neck, do I feel comfortable? Yes, I dey comfortable. Then you like the earring. Then
But
the
I know
person
this
go
one-
come. But when the ear they touch your ear, you dey waka like this. You say earring look nice on you, but I don't like the way you are walking with it.
I know just one believe say any responsible parents will leave their picking all because with the notion say he or she is ugly.
Then you like that mentality where they talk, you got to prepare to bomb picking.
As in,
Ready for
I
anything.
know any responsible parent not fit do that
Surprisingly,
kind of thing.
some responsible
if,
parents dey.
If you they look your pikin say your pikin they ugly and that's the reason why you want to abandon your pikin, sorry for you. I'm so sorry for you.
Very
anyway,
sorry.
make we enter you sabi say.
Now,
I think I like this segment.
You
tell me what I don't know.
tell us.
Number one. You sabi say they get one town for Jamaica where they call Abeokuta.
For Jamaica.
I tell you, for Jamaica, they call the
Hey,
town
kiss in
Abeokuta.
Jamaica.
Really? I told you.
Abeokuta. Oh my
They say
God.
na slaves wey come from Ogun State where they carry go plantation there for inside Jamaica. Now actually form the particular town where they call Abeokuta.
Wow. That
Then
means
they pronounce am the same way.
they're gonna speak Yoruba.
Huh?
I don't
Possible,
know.
yeah. There could be. I really mean.
They feel like they pronounce am Abeokuta. Now the same pronunciation.
What you go be Abeokuta?
Abeokuta.
But na Abeokuta.
Abeokuta.
But that's not Abeokuta or Abeokuta.
There's, at least they fit trace their origin where they come from.
All right, number two.
But that's nice.
very nice, my
Yeah,
darling.
say at
Very
least if you
nice.
identify even with the. I beg those ones say the America will come from Okpila. Can you identify yourself?
All right, the second one. You sabi say Ladi Kwali na the first and only Nigerian woman to appear on top our currency, and she did for 20 naira notes.
The
Now she
Now
be the
when they
first-
do
Now she
pots.
be she's an artist.
Okay, the actor. Okay, so
Where
what
they-
about the men? No, where they there? Those people where they sell fraud, they don't know.
No, that one are 5 naira notes
no.
now.
So but now
not
woman now.
No.
No.
Really? Okay.
She, Ladi Kwali, na the only woman, only Nigerian woman we deal on any of our currency. Now, they will want bring in the likes of them, Fela Mother,
Yeah.
for the for the 5,000 naira note. Remember one time?
Yes,
they want
5,000
So they
naira.
want bring in them, but now, what's happened to the 5,000 naira note? But
Thank
we
God
just
we no
get
sharp
one
am.
woman, Ladi Kwali. So now you know, if you do interview, they
I
tell
know
you.
before. I know
Right.
before.
Oh, Amaka
Ladi
like-
Kwali.
Number
Amaka
two,
like a
number
spoon, I
three.
like.
You sabi say Tokyo. The first know Tokyo as Edo.
That's
these
say we
ones
know
now.
they together.
That's why they call Tokyo Edo.
Because all of them look alike.
They call Tokyo Edo.
Edo.
Why
I
they call
tell
am
you.
Edo? Wetin e mean?
I know. You
Tokyo
get one way
Edo,
where
you no
they
relate.
get one name where they actually we say they mean it gets something to me
Tokyo,
with.
Edo.
How about I talk by a visit that
Okay.
area?
Now, the last
Carry
one.
our gold where they there.
The last one for today, you sabi say Apple, 9 day very strong. and to wake you up from sleep than say you take coffee.
To keep you awake.
Yes. So when you wake up, not some people when they wake up, they take coffee.
Yeah,
to keep you awake.
So if you want make you day awake, when your eye open, shine like tomorrow, no, they take apple.
Really?
Wow. They say better parts.
You don't try them.
I go try and that's why this show is here.
You supposed to be and don't try.
No. I know about the detox with apple, spinach, and avocado. That one today very, 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 very good. I don't know, say it go keep you
Sweet. Make you just read some tweets. This one at Abiba Isa, you talk say, if I too ugly, I know say I resemble them or one of their parents. So the latest news be say I they come back show my ugly face again. I will see you talk.
Yes.
Now Mr. Johnson is come outside and say chai. Now to find them chap and take my rightful position as their child. But I will compensate those who train me and visit them. I will see you talk. Alade Esther, it say married or not, all women need to be respected, but it depends on the environment and your packaging too.
Charlie boy, answer.
Now Mercy Johnson, it say may she too no give him time when he needs her time. No. He said then she will explain to him how it ought to when he know they give her time. Our letter from the viewers. Now this at Medin, you come outside talk say it's easy. I will also buy a phone and engage in social media too. He said two can play that game. When he ready to talk, I did there for you. Now, Clementine Paul, you say, woman earn respect by self-courage, appearance, self-control, approach, and the way you they handle issues. Now, within you talk. Abiba Isa, you talk, say, a lot of single ladies are more responsible than some married women. He say, respect should have nothing to do with marital status. Now, within you talk. Now, Clementine Paul, you talk, saying, now, corporation make rice full pot. He said, today, me and my husband agree to they put off our phone every night so they can do so and to respect each other.
All that.
Next message is there on top Twitter, but thanks to all those who love us because we love you pieces.
Thank you so much.
Continue to follow us on top Twitter at Tok Wazobia, Facebook, Tok-Wazobia TV. My name still remains Uvi Ehiga Musa. We'll go meet you tomorrow. We'll be our family day.
And my name now Maka Okudia for I love you plenty. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
All right, maybe Bettiana will go airport this evening, go pick her. She never call us yet, so we'll never know. But when I keep our fingers crossed, we'll go meet again tomorrow. My own name still remains Queen B or Balo. Tomorrow is a family day. If you get any family matter that disturbing you,
as we always say, talk, not be batting, but
make it over to you talk about.
For Bettiana.